Good afternoon. My name is Zoe Morgan-Crick and I'm one of the ICT buyers at YPO. I've been asked to do a very short video about how we're managing our social interaction during the COVID-19 isolation period. I think it's fair to say that technology has played a huge part in this, and my recommendations are to use all the technology options you've got available to keep in contact with friends and family. So you can do a video call on WhatsApp, and it's nice to see a friendly face. You can also do a video call on Facebook Messenger. That's easy to use as well, but there's other applications in the market, some of which are Zoom and also House Party. All I would say is make sure you've got antivirus installed on the device that you're using. Even if you're using an Apple device, you still need to use antivirus. Unfortunately, because technology is so prevalent at the moment, there are the malicious people that are trying to hack into our devices. I've been running a number and been involved in a number of family quizzes that has really sort of brightened up the weekends. And I did one yesterday where we used Zoom to interact with each other and then sent some picture messages via WhatsApp. Adds a little bit of fun. And I know some people are playing games, Trivial Pursuit and all sorts. Social interaction is really important at this time. So please do use some of the technology tools to interact with family members and friends and keep up to date. And it actually does just cheer you up. Thanks for listening.